In the quiet corridors of the University of Science and Technology of China, or USTC, a team of physicists is altering our perception of the microscopic world. As they successfully developed a groundbreaking single-photon LiDAR system, they achieved resolutions once thought to be the stuff of science fiction. This technological leap isn't just a step, but a giant leap in high-resolution imaging technologies, potentially unlocking unprecedented capabilities in various fields including physics, biology, and environmental science. LiDAR, or light detection and ranging, is a method for measuring distances by illuminating a target with laser light and measuring the reflection with a sensor. Conventional LiDAR systems emit thousands of photons per pulse, sufficient for macro-level measurements, like topographical mapping. However, USTC's implementation of single-photon sensitivity in LiDAR technology introduces a significant enhancement in both the sensitivity and resolution of these measurements. The essence of single-photon LiDAR lies in its capacity to detect and record the arrival of individual photons reflected from objects, even at vast distances. This high sensitivity allows for finer discrimination of the target's properties, such as composition, texture, and microtopography, opening up new avenues for microscopic analysis. The advantages of this high-resolution imaging system are manifold. Traditional systems, while useful, often fall short in dense atmospheric conditions or in capturing minute surface details. Single-photon LiDAR, conversely, can penetrate challenging environmental barriers and provide data with a precision that was unimaginable until now. The innovation at USTC did not occur in isolation, but as a part of a broader endeavor to enhance optical technologies. Led by Professor Lin Qing, the team's approach was to refine the photon detection mechanism, thus improving the temporal resolution and reducing noise at very low light levels. Their breakthrough was achieved by creating a finely tuned optical system that couples advanced photon timing methods with sophisticated algorithms designed to reconstruct a 3D model from these single photons. The implementation involved an intricate calibration of the LiDAR's components, especially the detectors and the laser source. The result was a system that could operate under a variety of environmental conditions, reliably producing high-quality, high-resolution images. Furthermore, it demonstrated an exceptional ability to distinguish between multiple closely spaced surfaces, a capability crucial in complex scientific experiments and precision engineering. A significant aspect of the breakthrough lies in its scalability. The USTC team has designed the system not just for large-scale laboratory experiments, but with the potential for adaptation in portable devices, promising wide-ranging applications in both research and commercial sectors. The immediate implications of high-resolution single-photon LiDAR are profound in fields where precision and resolution are paramount. In physics, the ability to detect subtle changes in physical environments can lead to new insights in particle physics and quantum mechanics. For engineers, especially those working in robotics and autonomous vehicles, the enhanced detection capabilities mean improved obstacle identification and navigation precision. Moreover, this technology has significant implications for environmental science. Its ability to capture detailed topographical data, even in adverse weather conditions or through forest canopies, makes it an invaluable tool for ecological surveys and climate change studies. Looking ahead, the potential applications of single-photon LiDAR extend beyond the laboratories and into everyday life. Its integration into consumer technology could lead to enhanced safety features in vehicles, more precise medical imaging techniques, and even transformation in how we interact with our digital environments. The societal implications are equally vast. As our ability to perceive and understand the microscopic details of the world around us improves, so too does our capacity for making informed decisions about environmental policy, urban planning, and public health. The technology presents ethical considerations as well, especially regarding privacy and surveillance, necessitating thoughtful discourse on its deployment. In summary, USTC's advances in single-photon LiDAR technology represent a pivotal milestone in our journey to unravel the mysteries of the physical world. This new tool not only enhances our scientific and engineering capabilities, but also promises to play a critical role in shaping the future trajectory of multiple disciplines, potentially leading to a deeper, more nuanced understanding of the universe. Thanks for joining us on this scientific adventure today. If you enjoyed unraveling the mysteries of LiDAR, let us know by giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to SciSips for more science fun.